Hello, Hodder. Good to see you today. I wanted to record a video where I quickly walk through the demo that we walked through. So just as a reminder, I generated some synthetic attack path analytics type data and used an agentic workflow to interact with this data with natural language via our Snowflake intelligence interface, that UI, and that's what you're seeing here. And this is the new way of working for our own product management team here at Snowflake, and there is no going back. So I go ahead and get into it. So the first question I'm going to ask is, what data sets do I have access to? And this is going to generate for me exactly what I'm seeking, which, as you explained to me earlier today, was a significant portion of your time is spent determining data availability in order to support specific feature requests. This means going on a scavenger hunt with various team members, right? And then even data engineering teams as well. So, and this is telling me that there's two main types of data: structured and unstructured, and also just general descriptions about the data. And what about types of tables? Let's ask it that. And it tells us, much like you're probably used to with any other LLM, how it's thinking about it. Perfect. So now I have all the reference data outlined for me. Great. So I can understand. Okay. So now I'm going to start asking questions. And a key one that I might be interested in, or you might be interested in, is of the critical paths that get generated versus those choke points that get remediated. Let's understand those. So let's ask about a trend here. And it's taking a question, generating an answer. It will start to generate SQL here, so you can see that in the background, which, if you are a technical user, you can copy, but which in of itself is very valuable for the more technical folks. But from my point of view, the real value here is the analytics, right? Those key insights that you're going to get from intelligence once it's done its thinking. And that could be, as we discussed, surfacing a natural or enabling natural language for your customers, and rendering those key insights for them. That security practitioner who only has 2 hours that you talked about, or just even more like low-hanging fruit, again, as a product manager, better understanding how the product's being used, what data you have available to you, right? So we could keep going here, but in the interest of keeping this video as concise as possible, I will go ahead and stop. But I look forward to working with you on getting this going.